Good day, everyone! Today, our group will present patterns in natural phenomena. Patterns are everywhere, in nature, in science, and even in our daily lives. They help us understand the world better.
Patterns in animals. Animals also shows natural patterns. Think of the stripes of a zebra or the spots of a leopard. These are examples of symmetry and repetition that help animals survive, either by camouflage or by attracting mate.
Pattern also appears in weather and natural events, waves in the ocean, the cycle of the day and night, and even the spiral of hurricanes follow mathematical rules.
Patterns also appears in the lightning bolts, and lightning strike branches out to smaller and smaller forks, creating a fractal.
In conclusion, pattern in natural phenomena show us the mathematics is not just the numbers, it's the language of nature. By studying these patterns, we understand life and the universe more deeply.